Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Nestled in the secure and well maintained gated community of Coco Palm, Manor Park, is this 3-bedroom, 3.5 bathroom townhouse for sale. It offers a blend of spacious living, thoughtful design, and unmatched convenience with 24-hour security, beautifully landscaped grounds, and a prime location in Kingston 8. This home provides a peaceful and private retreat while being just minutes from the bustling business hubs, shopping, dining, and top schools in the city. Upon entering, you are welcomed into an open concept living and dining area with natural light and designed for both relaxation and entertaining. Just off the kitchen, a private laundry room and dedicated helpers' quarters adds to the home's practicality. This townhouse is in impeccable condition, reflecting careful upkeep and attention to detail. The secure, covered parking for 2 vehicles ensures both convenience and peace of mind. This residence is an excellent choice for families, professionals, and returning residents seeking a move-in ready home in a prime location. Secure a private viewing today. Guys, let's take a look at this townhouse and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this townhouse is US 800,000 or Jamaican $126 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.